Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to lock any folder on your laptop with a password using a free tool called Wise Folder Hider. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Wise Folder Hider and press enter. From the results, click on the official website link to access the download page. Once the site loads, click the free download button to get the installer. Once downloaded, open it and follow the steps to install the program. When the installation is complete, click Finish to launch the app. Now, you'll be asked to set a master password. Enter a strong password and confirm it. Make sure you remember this password as you'll need it to access your hidden files later. Inside the app, click on Hide Folder and select the folder or file you want to protect. It will instantly disappear from view and no one else will be able to see it. For extra protection, you can also set a custom password for specific folders. And when you're ready to unhide anything, just right-click it inside the app and select Unhide. And that's it. You successfully locked and hidden a folder using Wise Folder Hider. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.